Okay, well, after much thought and running over everything, I'm going to go back to the board set that I bought that I was told that was working, even though I tried it when I first got it. The video worked, but there was no sound. But then I used that soundboard on my old main board and got perfect sound. But I also remember when I pulled the ROM chip out right there. I believe it's the sound ROM chip. The pins were really nasty, and actually 2 of them kind of broke. Matter of fact, here's the chip. The reason why I think it's the sound ROM is because it's got this, the erasable chip, and then you can reprogram it. But yeah, 2 of those legs you can kind of see how they're corroded and rusted. And man, it's just been bothering me because the guy told me that this was in a working game. So obviously the soundboard's good if it sounds good on my old board. So I got to thinking maybe there's just a couple removable chips on that main board that need cleaned, which they all look pretty good except for this one over here peeking out. I did pull it out and kind of wipe off the teeth. Blew out the socket with a little compressed air. I put all the chips back in. I'm just going to see if I can get anything out of it. I know that, I watch a lot of John's Arcade and stuff like that, and man, he really harps on bad connections. And I totally get that, but there's no way. I've been over those connections I don't know how many times with a multimeter. I'm not saying it isn't it, but I can't see how it can be. And trust me, I've been wrong before, so it wouldn't surprise me if I'm wrong. I just can't get it. So I'm hoping removing the chips off the main board and cleaning them up will maybe get the sound back. If not, then maybe that board's junk. I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to see what happens. So let's plug it in. Come on. Okay. Picture's coming on.
Operation Wolf.
Oh my God. Oh. Let me get this camera set up here. Okay. I still see the bullseye thing in there. Okay, so obviously taking the chips out of that board I bought brought the sound back. Yeah, because that one chip is It's kind of dirty. I really would like to actually maybe clean that socket because it still pretty nasty looking. Let's see what we get here. Would be really nice. Oh shit, what's coin error? Okay, maybe they. I flipped the coin switch, it said coin error.
Operation Wolf.
Don't sound too bad. I wonder what that was. Oh. Okay, I guess if you hold the switch down, it says coin error. Apparently it just has to flip.
Operation Wolf.
Okay. So coin error. Yeah, okay. So I hold the switch down, it says coin error. Maybe like a quarter stuck in there. Or somebody's tampering with it. That's interesting. Yep, here we go.
Operation initiated.
Let's get my gun up here. Somewhere where it should be right about in here, huh? Oh shit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, dudes. Might not be in the right spot. I'm out of bullets. No shit. Sorry for the language.
Since you have no ammunition left, you must join.
Yeah, dude, yeah! Alright. I know I'm just free holding the gun, so I'm going to do this. Oh, that looks bad. Yeah! Man, it better. Okay. Maybe that'll take the glare off that screen. Now the outside light's gonna come in from outside. Yeah, that's a lot better though. Man, that looks so blurry on that camera. Okay. I got 1 credit. It's my last quarter.
Operation initiated.
try to put this kind of where it should be. It should be close anyways. Doesn't register at the top all that well, but of course I might not be holding it in the right spot. You know, it might be.
Since you have no ammunition left, you must join the hostages.
Okay, I'm happy, dude. Yeah, I'm not even gonna complain, because that not being able to shoot up as high as some helicopters might just be because I'm pointing it at a weird angle. Maybe.
Operation Wolf.
Yes. Oh man. Maybe I'll go ahead and throw this into test mode so I can I forget how me and my son did that the first time. He did something in test mode and it took it to like a screen with checkers on it. And then there was some other screens that you could adjust the colors with in that. Because I kind of have deepened the colors and everything on here. Oh, well, that makes it a lot nicer. Maybe turn off that flash somehow. That's a better representation. I'm gonna go ahead and coin another game. Yeah, that's not too bad, I guess. I'm going to try to shoot at the tops and bottoms of the screen in the corners. I'm not even going to really try to hit the guys. It felt like when I was scanning across there that it was aiming pretty good, like straight out in front of the barrel wherever I was pointing it. I don't know, maybe there's a cutoff in the sky. I don't know. I don't remember.
Operation initiated.
Okay, here we go. It's about where it should be. Okay, that's straight in the middle. Hits that corner. Hits that corner. Stops right about there. Yeah, it's not shooting into the sky. I don't know if it's supposed to do that.
You have sustained a lethal injury. Sorry, but you are finished here.
Okay, because I know I went in the house and went to sleep, so I hope I'm not just dreaming this, man. This is awesome. Okay. My garage is a torn up mess. Man, I don't even know what to do. I'm just happy right now. Sorry. Okay, so I know it's cold out here, man. All right, I'm gonna plug in the shaker motor and see if it still fires on the screen when it's on. 'Cause who knows? I'm not gonna fire it a lot because I don't want it to accidentally shake off and hit my board and break it.
Operation initiated.
I think somewhere about there it goes. That's close anyways, I guess. See, now it's shooting up into the sky. Maybe it's just where it's positioned at. I'm not quite sure. Yep. I'm going to unplug the game. Plug it back in. Holy crap. I don't know if I should even take that bottom board out and clean it and clean that socket or just leave it the heck alone because it's working.
Operation Wolf. Operation initiated.
Yeah. If you watch this, William, I presume that's your name. Dude, thank you. You don't know what that means to me, man. Seriously.
You have sustained a lethal injury. Sorry, but you are finished. Here.
Man, thank you. Well, I hope this is a little bit of candy for you anyways. I'll definitely keep in contact with you in that. Oh, I've never seen that before. Probably because it didn't work. Anyways, I don't know if you can pick it up. But there's like little ghosting lines that go across the screen, especially when I hit the start button.
Operation.
I don't know. Did you see him up where it says the start button? Wow. And anybody else that watches these videos, I'll be doing some more because I want to clean up and repaint the cabinet. Repaint all the black on it. I want to put it in the house and play it for a little while, make sure it's pretty, gonna keep working, I guess. And I want to apply some new side art. I don't know, maybe I'll keep this top here. Just clean it up real well.
You have sustained a lethal injury.
But the side art's really messed up on it.
Here.
So, I mean, this side's not too bad, but the other side's got a big chunk taken out of it. So, I mean, there'll be a time that I'm gonna take all these boards out of here anyways. And clean everything up. Man, this is awesome. So, yeah, now I gotta put my gun together. I might play it like this for a while, a couple times.
Operation Wolf.
Maybe not. I still got parts of the gun and stuff that I have to paint. I just quit doing it because I was like, I'm not gonna keep painting stuff if I can't get anything to work. So the other day I bought some coin door bulbs and put them in. You can see them there. I bought a new bulb there. There's this that goes in there. And this is what's weird about this. I put this in here. Okay, and the bulb just kind of glows, but as soon as I remove this, the sucker will turn on. How's that? And then I put it back in. Is this thing just bad? I'm not... Any of the fluorescents I've worked on before, they don't quite have this thing. So, yeah, I can't do that underneath a marquee. Simply, I may just take this out, check that speaker, you know, because it's probably got a paper surround. See what ohms the speaker is and maybe buy a replacement. And then I'll just move this back. Or find one of the ones that I mounted in my main cabinet. And line this with tinfoil so you get a nice reflection on the marquee. Don't know. That's all cosmetic stuff, but hey, it's firing bullets. If you got any tips on adjusting the screen focus and the colors, like maybe how they should be, let me know. I'd really appreciate that. And the locks for these doors, do they take the little short, like 1-inch barrels, or what on that? I'm pretty sure that my I'm so excited I can't even think. My other shooting game, Silent Scope, it took a little bit longer barrel. These might look like they're just a little 1-inch, maybe even 7/8 or 3/4 or whatever they are. All right, one more time with the marquee bulb on.
Operation initiated.
So that's probably about right, buddy. See how it does.
You have sustained a lethal injury. Sorry.
Won't ever be this bright in my arcade. Beautiful, man, beautiful. It's dropping off. There it goes. All right. I'll be making some more videos. William, anytime you want to talk, man, message me. You got me on Facebook. You're awesome, dude. Thank you.
Sorry, but you are finished.